Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand data completeness validation with column data profiling. Column data profiling. What exactly is a column data profiling? Before I get into that, let us say you have a billions of records as a part of your data warehouse. Is it humanly possible to compare billions of records? It is difficult. Even though you write a SQL queries, it may take a lot of time to compare the billions of records. What is the solution then? One of the solution would be column data profiling. What do we do as a part of the column data profiling? Instead of comparing the entire data, we'll categorize the data based on the logical sets. We'll create the logical sets of the data and reduce the number of records, then do the comparison between the source and target. Essentially, you are applying a kind of filter or a grouping to reduce the number of records to do the comparison. So that way, you are validating the movement of the data with less number of records. So what kind of a logical sets I can create? Let us look at some examples. Okay. One of the very important thing is when you are talking about the billions of records, you may have multiple duplicate values in a particular column. The way you can approach it is only compare the unique values. That may reduce the number of records drastically. Or one more way of approaching is only compare the null values. Yeah, it is a kind of a valid test to reduce the number of records. One more way is compare only the maximum, minimum, or average values for the columns depending upon the data type. If you have a numerical values, you can go ahead and get the maximum, minimum, average values of the source and target type and compare them. That will reduce the number of records drastically. This validation, in a way, is similar to comparing the checksum values of the source and target of the data. What is checksum? We'll deal that as a part of the separate video. For now, just remember when we are performing the column data profiling, it's almost similar to comparing the checksum values of source and target. Awesome. We understood some of the important aspects of the data completeness with column data profiling. Thank you.